I don't know what to do about it. I can't get rid of it. I mean, it's just crazy.
ITT Technical Institute School of Drafting and Design. Education for the future. To find out more, call 1-800-ITT-TECH or visit us on the web.
Continuing coverage now on the story we have been following. All across the world, people report hearing weird noises wherever they go or whatever they do. During breakfast, lunch, dinner, even in their sleep, the noise wakes them up and there seems to be no reason or explanation for the noises. The White House reports President Obama has been hounded by the noise as well. Most recently, the noise was so bad Obama convened an intelligence meeting early. The CIA says they have never experienced anything quite like it. Nudo News Network caught up with a few concerned citizens.
Sort of, that's what it sounds like to me. It sounds like some goats. You know, but I know it sounds like two people having rough sex or something. I don't know, this is annoying. Hell, it's just about to drive me crazy. I just don't know what the hell it is. What it could be. What do you think it is? I don't know what the hell it is. Hell, why the hell did you ask me?
The sound? Yeah, I heard it. I was actually just starting to quill some patio furniture for the backyard when I heard it. And I couldn't figure out where it was coming from, but I knew right away that it was annoying. It's a really annoying sound. Really annoying. Annoying.
By a president during litigation, Richard Nixon proclaimed, Charles.
Who's watching? Tell me who's watching? Who's watching me?